In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Chrome account. If you want to remove your Google account from the Chrome app, this is a quick process and only takes a moment. Signing out can be helpful if you're using a shared device, troubleshooting sync issues, or simply want to stop Chrome from connecting to your account for now. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, open the Chrome app on your device. Make sure you're in the app itself before moving on, since the sign out option is found inside Chrome settings. Once Chrome is open, give it a second to fully load, especially if you have several tabs open. Next, tap the More menu. This is the icon with three dots, and depending on your device, you'll usually find it in either the top right corner or the bottom right corner of the screen. This menu is where Chrome keeps most of its extra options, including access to your settings. From that menu, tap Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage your Chrome preferences, including your account, sync settings, privacy options, and more. If you don't immediately see the account details, don't worry. Just stay on the main settings page and look near the top. Now tap your account at the top of the settings screen. In some versions of Chrome, this may show your profile area instead of a visible name, but it will still appear at the top and represent the account currently signed into Chrome. This is the section where you can manage account-related options. Once you're inside that page, scroll down to the bottom and tap Sign Out. Chrome may briefly process the request, and depending on your device or settings, you might also see a confirmation prompt. If that appears, simply confirm that you want to sign out. After that, your Chrome account will be signed out. Keep in mind that signing out may pause sync, which means bookmarks, history, passwords, and other browsing data may no longer update across devices until you sign back in. If you're doing this for privacy reasons, it's also a good idea to double check that the account is no longer shown at the top of Chrome's settings page. And that's it. That's how to sign out of your Chrome account quickly and safely using the Chrome app.